Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation on understanding weak learners in ADABoost. We will explore how combining simple models can create a powerful ensemble. My name is Sheetal Rathod and I am machine learning intern at Mentorness. So, ADABoost, which stands for Adaptive Boosting, is an ensemble learning method. It combines multiple weak learners to create a strong classifier. This algorithm was introduced in 1996 and since then it has become a cornerstone in machine learning. So, what are exactly weak learners? Weak learners are the models that perform just better than random guessing. They are simple models with limited complexity, often considering the form of decision trees or decision stumps. Let's take an example to understand this more. So, here is an example where decision stump is being explained. So, a decision stump makes a decision based on a single feature provided a feature is greater than the given threshold. It is classified in different categories with the class. Say for example, a greater than threshold classified as positive, otherwise it is classified as negative. So this diagram illustrates how decision stump works with single feature and split point. Let's understand the ADABoost algorithm overview. So there are several steps, a set of steps which we need to follow to get a robust model. Initializing the weights for the training, start with equal weights for training the examples. Then we are training our learner in train a weak learner on the weighted training data, understanding the computer error of the weak learner, updating the weights, increasing them for misclassified examples and decreasing them for correctly classified ones. We are repeating this process each time, focusing on more on the harder examples. So iterating this process each time, focusing on the harder examples. Understanding this ADABoost algorithm combining weak learners will give us robust system. So this formula, as you can understand, f of x is defining the weak learners, which is a strong classifier. So each weak learner is assigned a weight based on its accuracy, and this final model is weighted sum of the predictions of all weak learners. In the given formula, alpha of t is the weight and h of t of x is prediction of tth weak learner. Also, combining this with the weight update mechanism, this weight update mechanism in ADABoost is crucial. So, first calculate the error of each weak learner will give us the formula, will give us one value in which next we need to perform to calculate the weight of the learner, and finally we update the weight of the training examples. This process ensures that more focus is placed on examples that we are previously misclassified. So these examples are working on ADABoost in action. So we are initializing weights for each example, then training the first week learner, calculating its error and updating the weight. Next we are training the second week learner and these update weights, calculate error and updating their weight again. This step by step is continuous in iteration, each time placing more emphasis on the harder examples. Thus that's how ADABoost algorithm is helping us to convert weak learners forming into robust ensemble model. Let's understand the benefits of ADABoost algorithm and how we can use them. We can turn these weak learners into strong learners, adaptively focusing on harder to classify the examples. It also works well in the various types of weak learners. It is robust to overfitting if there are enough weak learners in ensemble. Befitting these benefits of the ADABoost, these ADABoost algorithms are effectively being used in fraud detection, facial detection in images, text classification and spam detection, bioinformatics and medical diagnostics precisely. So, coming to our conclusion, these are the major key takeaways. The ensemble of weak learners result in robust model with high accuracy using ADABoost algorithm. Weak learners are simple method or simple models that forms the building blocks for ADABoost, and ADABoost iteratively train weak learners focusing a misclassified example. So here we can conclude that ADABoost algorithm can effectively being used to enhance weak learners into ensemble model. Thank you.